3 fantastic ways to make money by typing names online. The online jobs market can seem like an endless sea of possibilities, but with a little bit of research, you'll find ways to earn money by typing names. I know writing is hard work if you're just starting out. That's why you need to make it easier for yourself. I'm here to help. Whether you are a complete beginner or have been writing for years, this guide will help you build a solid foundation for your writing. However, typing names online can be fun, easy and fast way to earn money with little effort. Here is a great side hustle if you are really good at typing. Have you ever thought about typing names online as a way to make some online extra money? This video will show you the easy steps to follow to begin making online money today. Before I tell you the requirements, make sure to subscribe to my technical solution channel and press the bell icon. Requirements to start. Let's start with simple and straightforward ways. Since all the work is online, you need a laptop and a strong internet connection. Furthermore, typing names requires no degree. You do not need to go to college to make a living. There are many ways to earn money without going to school. There are 2 schools of thought regarding learning on the job. Some believe that you can't learn anything useful until you have studied and prepared extensively, while others say as a college education that it gives you the knowledge necessary to succeed in life for those who want to be successful sales professionals or entrepreneurs. You need to learn from others who have been there before you, and that's correct. No expertise. In this niche, there is no need to have expertise in anything. All you really need to do is to have a creative mindset, but you can use any kind of presentation tool you like. It's better to have some presentation and communication skill to influence the client. No investment. When it comes to selling yourself, there is no important concept than the investment of time. In order to attract new customers, you need people to see that your business or product is worth investing in and that they can succeed with it. The more people invest in your product or service, the more people you will attract. What to write about? There are endless possibilities for writing niche, but for an idea, you can write number 1. Brand name suggestions. The brand name is not like a face. It's easier to recognize if you already know it. Today, we recognize brands by its name. If your brand isn't already recognized, then let people know it by naming it. There are some exceptions to this rule, but it's a good idea to choose a name that reflects the brand you are going for, but doesn't overthink it. If it sounds good, people will associate it with the type of brand you're going for. How to write compelling brand names. There are top 3 name suggestion tools that you can use to generate brand names. Number 1 is Shopify Name Generator. Shopify's name generator offers you a variety of possibilities for a business name. If you don't find what you are looking for, you can filter by keyword, category, and even city. If you are looking for something a little more specific, you can search for a word, phrase, or even a combination of words. Number 2. Oberler Name Generator. When you want to come up with a catchy name for your website or business, don't limit yourself to just using words or phrases that are related to your niche. You can also use name generator tool at Oberler to create a unique name. All you need to do is enter some detail about your company or website and the name generator will give you some ideas. Namelicks. Namelicks brand new naming tool that takes a name and generates a name using its own algorithm. The result is unique, meaningful and catchy name that's guaranteed to grab attention. This is very useful tool for e-commerce startups who are struggling to come up with a name. Furthermore, I'm a big fan of tools like this because they help me come up with names for my own project. Sometimes I'll be inspired by typing something that happens in my day-to-day life, or I'll just randomly start typing until I find something that sounds good. It's pretty rare that I ever come up with a name that I really love, but I've found that there are some names that I can't shake. Lastly, it's a simple name generator that generates random names for a given domain. I use it to generate names for website, apps, and other projects. Number 2. Domain names. Every company wants a memorable domain name to help establish its brand online and give potential customer a good idea of what they offer. But as you may have noticed, there are thousands of domains out there. How do you choose a domain name that will work well for your company? Here are 3 tips for choosing the right one. The name should be unique and crispy. No one have used it before. It relates to the vision of the brand. Number 3. Product name writings. The third way to write names is about product titles. Do you know what the most common and relevant aspect of the product are? Write them out and organize them into categories. When writing, look for the most important information to include in your product description, such as its main benefits, features, or characteristics. Use keywords in description that are likely to be used when people search online. This will help your client's product stand out in the search result. Conclusion. In conclusion, to make money from your typing skills, you should start with something you enjoy. Once you have established a steady income, you can begin to diversify your work. In addition, you could also do some work related to data entry, transcribing audio, or even creating content for websites. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.